Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the Colmi i28 Ultra AI Smartwatch. If you're looking for a stylish, feature-packed smartwatch, stick around as we explore its amazing functionalities. First things first, let's talk about the stunning AMOLED display. With vibrant colors and sharp resolution, everything from notifications to fitness stats looks incredible. You won't want to take your eyes off it. Now, what really sets the Colmi i28 apart is its built-in AI GPT feature. That's right. This smartwatch isn't just a pretty face. It can assist you with tasks, answer questions, and even help you manage your day better. Just ask it a question, and the AI will respond. It's like having a personal assistant right on your wrist. Perfect for anyone on the go. Next up, we have the Muslim prayer feature. This is a fantastic addition for our Muslim viewers. The watch provides accurate prayer times and reminders, helping you stay connected to your faith throughout the day. It's customizable, so you can adjust the settings based on your location and preferences. And let's not forget about Bluetooth calling. With a simple tap, you can answer calls directly from your wrist. This feature is super handy when your phone is out of reach. It's also equipped with fitness tracking features, monitoring everything from steps to heart rate, making it a great companion for your workouts. Overall, the Colmi i28 Ultra AI smartwatch combines style, functionality, and smart tech, making it a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their daily life.